In this video, I'm going to tell you one thing that you need to do whenever you're stuck with a bug in your code. Please stay with me to the end of the video. Coding is hard, and debugging the code written by you is even harder. When error messages received are not helping at all, or when you're not even getting any error message, the code wouldn't just work. Have you ever been stuck with a bug in your code to the point that you've tried everything that you needed to do? You've actually copied the code, pasted it online, trying to figure out what could have been the problem. Why is the code not working? You're not getting any error message. Not the one that is going to help you, of course. Like the bug has finally gotten you and is out to frustrate you. I have been there. I know what it feels like. You spent hours, days trying to figure out this bug from nowhere. You just couldn't find it. You check the code again, but it seems I'm doing everything I should. You ask yourself, but I'm doing everything I should do. But nothing seems to be working. You check your code again. You try to put console log in a place. Maybe, let me say, if it's going to console log the error. No error is coming, but the code is not working. You copy the code, go to Stack Overflow, paste it, try to look for help, search online. Maybe you even use AI to actually debug your code, but the code is still not working. What the? After spending hours trying to figure out where the bug is in your code, you realize that you spend days trying to figure out, but yet you can't quit because you have your deadline right in front of you. You need to fix this bug. You need to fix this code. While in the midst of this frustration, you sit back on your seat, trying to think again, what other steps should you follow to ensure that you fix this bug? Unknown to you, you slept off. During this unplanned nap, you realize like an angel actually brought a solution to you right in your dream. Voila! You saw it. It was just a misplaced semicolon that has been causing this issue. Just like that, you woke up from your nap, went straight, of course you're still right on your seat, went straight to your code, boom, found the semicolon, pulled the semicolon out. Now voila, your code is working. Now you're happy. Your code is working perfectly as it should. That moment of clarity actually proves something, that the best way, sometimes the best way to solve a problem is actually taking a step away from it for a bit. Taking breaks is essential for productivity and efficiency. When you are stuck, don't be afraid to take a step back and give your brain a chance to reset. At that moment, you can go play golf, you can go play table tennis, you can go do your hobby. Take a break. Take a time out. Even in football, you have a timeout. For every sport, there is a timeout. There is a reason why that is there. So take a break. Whenever you're trying and it seems not working, take a break. So the next time you're up 3 nights, it's going to happen again. Yeah, I know. It's going to happen again and again and again and again. But remember this strategy. Take a step back a bit. Do what you love. Do something different from coding. At that point that you're stuck, take breaks. It's important for your productivity. So let your mind reset. Then you start again. That is all I have for you today. Thank you. And if this video has actually helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. See you around.